So this one today is my favorite wig, like my everyday wig. Like if I, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everyone is keeping safe. For me, yeah, it's a boring time. I'm trying to like be motivated, create content, or do something that keeps me busy. It is what it is, guys. So just try, get up, do something that I have not done before. Like if it's sewing, you can do, just sew something. If it's your hair, you can just make your hair, just do your makeup. Like to go and check your kitchen, go and open your fridge, do makeup, like just look nice, dress up. Because at the end of the day, if you wake up in the morning and you don't have anywhere you're going, like you are stuck in the house, and because of the lockdown and all that, you're just gonna be in your pajamas morning to evening, a whole week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and that is it. And at the end of the day, a lot of people are gonna be going crazy. It all depends on how you're gonna deal with this situation. I just pray that God will give us wisdom, all of us wisdom, to be able to just, you know, go through these. And I hope you guys are really keeping it positive, and finger crossed, by the grace of God, everything is gonna be fine and we'll be out of this in no time. Yeah. All right, so guys, so today I just wanted to just do a video. Like I made this hair is 3 weeks old. Yeah guys, it's old. So I just want to remove this hair, and I decided to film a video which will be everyday different hairstyle. I don't know if you know it, so I'm gonna be like everyday different hairstyle. So since I'm gonna remove this one this evening, I just wanted to just film this video and show you this is how I've been rocking this hair. This is day one, first style, and you can manipulate this style and style it in different ways like you like. You can do it this way, that way, and many other ways that you feel you can manipulate it. So this is day one, style. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to drop me a comment. If there's any video suggestion you want me to do, don't forget to write down in the comment section. Alright, so for day 2, I'm gonna tie a scarf. And so before then, I want to show you this, my Ankara skirt. This skirt, I made it on this channel when I used to sew on this channel. You guys already know. If you don't know, I'm going to put the link for you to see how I made this Ankara skirt. And so I'm going to tie a matching headpiece. And yeah, because I want to take a picture and post on Instagram and also on my Facebook fan page. You guys can follow me there. It's Chide Loves You on Facebook, and follow me also on Instagram, Chide Loves You. So it's very easy for me. I just wrap around. This is one of the picture I took. So I just wrap around, and yeah, and that's the second picture I took also. And so yeah guys, that is it. I just wrap it around, and that is the 2 hair look. And so guys, for day 3, I'm going to do a low slick pony. And yeah, I've already slicked down my hair, and then I'm going to take a hair piece that I have, one piece of hair that is left over. So it's about 14 inches. It's curly hair, so I'm just going to use it to create a pony at the back. This is very easy and quick. I have lots of videos on how to do this, so I didn't really bother to just film everything, just to show you the hairstyle for today. So guys, yeah, after I finish putting it, I just, you know, make sure I secured it. And yeah, that is my look for day 3.
She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah 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 nah. Ginger me, how they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to.
This one today is my favorite wig, like my everyday wig. Like if I want to go anywhere, this is the wig that I always throw on. I usually wear it in center part, but today I tried to just style it a little bit to the side, and I'm loving it, guys. So it's simple. I just wore it. I didn't put anything. So this is my hair from yesterday. So, and then this week, I've had this wig more than 5 years. It's more than 5 years this week, and I like it. But I cut this, was longer than this, so I cut it off like this. So it's not really a bob, and it's not really long. So I just like, I think it's like about 18 or 16 inches now. So what I do, just put it on, okay, like this. I usually wear it in the middle, you know, which is equally nice. But today I'm putting it this way. That. Alright, so this is what I look like. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my mirror on this side, so that's why. So yeah, this is what I'm rocking today. So let's go to the next day. Hey guys, okay, alright. Okay, so my day 5 look is simple. It's just one of my wigs I have that I've reviewed in the past that I just remembered because I was wearing red today, and I was like, okay, let me look for something that will complement my dress. So I just pick up this wig, and yeah, that is all for, you know, day 5, and I really like it. I didn't actually go anywhere, guys. I'm indoors. I'm just having fun. So yeah, this is what I did on day 5.
Ha, she's feeling my way. You whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me, pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll.
Alright guys, welcome to day 6. So day 6 is a filming day for me. So guys, I filmed this hair where I did a wig. It's no closure, no leave out kind of wig. So yeah, you can wear it like this, or you can just cut it in the fringe, which I went ahead and cut because I wanted to have this kind of hair with a fringe. And so this is the kind of hair I'm rocking for day 6. And of course, I usually take picture and I post on my Instagram, you know, just like being, you know, I just wanted to just have fun doing this. I hope you guys like this. So yeah, and I finished cutting the front to fit my hairline, my front, my face, and you know, yeah, and this is what it looks like, and I really like it.
She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me, pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey.
Hello guys, so welcome back to day 7. So day 7 is the last day actually. So I'm also filming today. I'm filming this how to control your hair. Yeah, so I have this video already. If you have not seen it, so I'm gonna put the link down in the description box. And if you don't have, if I'm not showing enough information and you feel you should check out the video, please just do. And so what I'm doing is just to braid my hair from front to the back, and I'm trying to like show how you can do that by yourself while we are staying at home. And so the video for this is very comprehensive, but this is just a clip for me to show you what hair I'm rocking on day 7.
I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, baby, carry they go.
And so if you have enjoyed this video until this moment, please don't forget to like, don't forget to leave me a good comment. And guys, thanks so much for supporting me, and thank you for watching this video. Until my next one, bye.
Taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll.